So far, we have drawn a few ocean animals together. Do you think today we can draw the prettiest fish in the ocean?
A butterfly fish.
Sounds like a great idea. A butterfly fish. Grab your pencil. Let's draw along with us. Let's start nice and easy. Draw a light circle. At one end of the circle, right in the middle, add a small tail. On the other side, draw a long pointy snout, almost like a beak. Now add a tiny line for the mouth and a circle for the eye. Already starting to look fishy, right? Okay, artists, here's your next challenge. We're going to draw all the fins, and there are a lot. Let's start with the pectoral fin on the side. Add the top fin, called the dorsal fin. The tail fin is already in the back. Let's add the anal fin underneath. And the pelvic fin near the bottom. That's 5 fins total. Nice work if you got them all. Take a look at the top fin. The front part is a little jaggy, and the back part is smooth. The same as the anal fin. The front part is a little jaggy and the back part is smooth. Now that everything is in place, we can start darkening our lines. Sharpen your outlines, add little details, and gently erase any extra sketch lines. Take your time here. This is where your drawing really comes to life. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Practice makes everything better. Now, for one of the coolest parts of the butterfly fish is camouflage. Add the bold strips across the body, and right here near the tail, draw a big dark spot. This spot looks like an eye, and it actually helps trick predators. Nature is pretty amazing, isn't it? Fill in the real eye and the tail spot nice and dark. Shade in the strips. They are usually a copper or warm color. If you want to color your butterfly fish, this is your moment. You can use colored pencils, markers, or even watercolor if you are feeling adventurous. Butterfly fish often have yellow, orange, white, and black, but you don't have to copy real life. You can make a rainbow fish or a galaxy fish. This drawing is great practice for shapes, line control, and pattern design, perfect for beginner and growing artists. And just like that, you've drawn a butterfly fish. Remember, every artist's fish will look a little different, and that's what makes art special. If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep sketching. See you in our next ocean adventure.